Hi, welcome back to Raising Kings Academy. Today we learn about why boys need chores, building responsibility for life. Moms, let's talk about chores. Some parents see them as busy work, but in reality, chores are training for manhood. Here's why boys need chores. First, chores teach responsibility. When your son knows he's in charge of something, taking out the trash, making his bed, he learns that effort really matters. Second, chores build work ethic. Manhood requires effort. Chores teach boys that nothing gets done without putting in the work. Third, chores create contribution. When he helps at home, he learns he's part of a team. That mindset will carry into school, friendships, and future family life. Fourth, chores prepare him for independence. One day, he'll need to cook, clean, budget, and manage his own life. The earlier he learns, the more confident he'll be. Now, here's the key. Don't do everything for him. Guide him, yes, teach him how, but let him take responsibility. So here's your challenge this week. Give your son one new responsibility he hasn't had before. It could be doing laundry, cooking one meal, or managing his own school bag. In the comments below, tell us what's one chore your son does now and what's one you want him to learn. And remember, chores aren't punishment. They're preparation for kingship. Please subscribe for more ways to prepare your son for leadership. And as always, remember, you're not just raising a son, you're raising a king.